Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we're going to look at how to put the wipers in service mode on a Lexus NX. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos. And if you like my video to the end, please help me out with a thumbs up. So this is going to be a short video, is how to put the windshield wipers in a position that you actually could change the wiper blades. And I have a 2024 Lexus NX, works for 23, 24, 25. It's probably gonna work for 26. Very similar, and it's very easy to do. It puts in a better position so you could change the wiper blade. That's all it is. So let's get started here. To turn off your vehicle first, move the wiper stock actually up, and that will put your wiper blades in the service mode position. So there, you could go outside and say, I want to change it out. Just slide the wiper blades out. You could change the inserts, or you could change the blades, wherever you need to do some maintenance on the blades. And you can see the one on my right is actually very easy to remove. The one on the left, a little bit challenged. You might need a ladder, or you can access it from the other side. But once you change it, you actually could put it back in this regular position, I would say. So that's very easy to do as well. I'm going to show you that right here. And all you need to do is basically you have to turn on the vehicle again and push the wiper stock up again. Then it'll return to its rightful position. And there you have it. I'll put the wiper inserts part number for the OEM from Lexus in the description if you're interested in buying those out. I don't have to replace wiper inserts yearly. I think it's every other year or so if you park the vehicle outside. And if you don't park it outside overnight, it probably could last about 2 years in most cases. But it really depends on your area and your climate. Hopefully this video helps you out. I really appreciate a thumbs up, comment, share. Please leave it below. Please subscribe. And let's see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.